Sup, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Alright. Happy New Year's to y'all. Okay. Yep, it's a foggy New Year's, like I said, on YouTube and Facebook and stuff like that. You know? Uh-huh. It sure is a foggy one, you know. Uh-huh. Yep. So, and it's kinda cool out today. Okay. Well, I can hear the music over there, but anyway, I bet my best friend over there jamming right now, you know. Keeping me up in the middle of the night, but luckily I slept through the night, you know. Well, no issue though, long as you don't play a song I hate, you know. Yep. So it's a it's a foggy one this morning, okay. A foggy New Year's. Yeah. All right. So that's all I come to tell y'all, you know. All right. A foggy New Year's, okay. All right. So I'll talk to y'all later, right? Bye.